Hi, this is Mr. Cardoso, and on this question I'm doing the Chapter 7 self-test, page 441, number 4, and it says we have an equation a cos squared x plus b cos x minus 1 equals 0, and it wants us to find a and b, and it tells us the solutions of this equation on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So basically we're working backwards. They gave us the answers and they want a and b, or the equation in this form. So first of all, let's draw a unit circle to kind of go backwards from our solutions. So I draw a unit circle here, and so I'm just going to move that there. Okay, so we have a number of solutions here. So from pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3, those are on the same related acute angles. Pi over 3 is over here, and 5 pi over 3 is over here. Now, since it's cos, we really only care about the x-axis coordinate. And the x-axis coordinate of pi by 3 is 1/2. And here, it's going to be 1/2 as well. Okay, so we don't really care about the sign right now. We're looking at cos, so that's both 1/2. So from this, I can say that cos of x is going to be equal to 1/2. Okay, now let's look at this part here, which is pi, and that's not related to these two, as you can see from the diagram. But from that, and I know the coordinates of that point is -1 and 0. So from that part I can say cos of x equals -1. Okay, so that comes from this part here. So now these are my two, so I've got my or in here, right? So again, I'm working backwards. And so let's go to this one now and say cos of x minus 1/2 equals 0. And now let's multiply everything by 2. So I get 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0. And over here, I get cos x plus 1 equals 0. So now if I take these and multiply them together, because these are the factors, again I'm working backwards from my solutions to this. These would be my factors that I would take and solve and go this way in a normal question to get to these solutions. So now I can take these and multiply them together. So 2 cos x minus 1 times cos x plus 1, and that's equal to 0. Okay, so I can multiply them. So now I just need to expand these. So 2 cos x times cos x is 2 cos squared x. Okay, then I multiply these two, plus 2 cos x minus cos x minus 1 equals 0. So I get 2 cos squared x, and then plus cos x minus 1 equals 0. And here we can pick out our a and our b, because it's in this form. So my b here is actually 1, since there's nothing there. So my a equals 2, and my b equals 1. And you can see this looks like this now. I hope that makes sense.